Hello, Elior Sterling here for Learn to Read Hebrew. We're going to learn some useful one-letter words in this video. First, we're going to look at them in the slideshow, and then we're going to go find some of them in the context of the siddur. So each of these words is a prefix word. So it's not a standalone word. So you'll see this dash here. That dash just means the rest of the word. You'll see what I mean when we look at it in context. So the first one is v, which means and. Now you'll see when we look at this in context, sometimes the vav becomes an u instead of a v. You don't have to worry about the rules about that right now, because we're not dealing with rules at this point. We're just dealing with recognizing pieces of the Hebrew words so that we can, pull it apart and understand what it is saying, right? So just remember that v and can sometimes be u. Then we've got m, which means from. It's short for the word min, which means from. Next we have the word b, which means in. And then ha, which means the. Now if you want to say in the, you don't say b ha. You sort of squish them together and just say ba. Le means to, both in the sense of going to and also that something is to a person, like in a possessive sense. In those cases, it's actually short for shall, which is better translated as of. If you know Spanish, it's like de, because it's of, and it also sort of explains a possessive relationship. Just like b and ba, you don't say le ha, you just say la to say to the. Sh means that, and it's actually short for asher. And then k means like, and it's short for the longer word kmo. I mean, kmo isn't really a long word, but when you want to just squish it on the front of a word, it's k. So let's go look for some of those examples. We're going to start off with this piece that comes right before the barhu. It says vehu, and he. And if you look a little further on, it says velo, and no, or and not. And then here we've got vehirba, and over here velo again. So we've got v several different times. And then right here we've got ha melech, the king. Right? Now let's scoot down, and we're going to find an example of u instead of v. U mesader, and he organizes or sets things in order. And then right here we have an example of k kirtsono, like his will, or as his will. And up here we've got b mishmerotehem, in their watches. This is speaking of the watches of the night. So in their watches. Shomer, shamar, right here, that's the root. We'll be talking about roots later. Shamar is to watch or to guard. So kirtsono, like his will, be mishmerotehem, in their watches. Do we have any other examples here of those short words? Here we've got ha ma'ariv, the ma'ariv. Ma'ariv starts from this root of ayin resh bet, which is erev, like evening. So the ma'ariv is the coming on of the evening. And let's look here. This is on the next page. We've got Ahavat Olam, and further down that page, we've got, whoops, where did it go? Le'olam va'ed. To olam. So olam is a great word because it means world, it means universe, but it also means forever. You can think of it as like the universe in every dimension. I just love that word. So le'olam va'ed, we usually translate that as forever and ever, but to the universe and beyond. All right, so there are some of those short words, very short words that are really prefixes on the beginning of Hebrew words. I'm sure I'm looking at this right now and I can see a bunch of other examples. I wonder if you can scan this text and find other examples as well. Here, I'll give you one right now. Be divrei. Be divrei. In the words. All right. Have fun. Look for some of those words roundabout in the text and let me know what you find. Put it in the comments, or if you're taking a class with me, send me a message. Bye.